In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Shopify inventory not tracked 2025. If your products keep showing as not tracked or aren't reducing stock after orders, don't worry. We'll walk through the exact places in Shopify where the setting lives, how to turn it on, and how to make sure it sticks for both single products and variants. Start by opening your Shopify admin. Use a desktop browser if possible, since the layout is clearer and you'll see all the sections we're about to use in one place. Once you're in, head to Products from the left-hand navigation. Pick a product that's currently not tracking inventory, or search for it if you have a large catalog. On the product page, scroll to the inventory section. This area controls whether Shopify tracks stock levels and at which locations. If you see that tracking is off, that's the reason your counts aren't updating during sales. Also glance at the location listed here to ensure you're looking at the correct place where you actually store and fulfill the item. Enable track quantity by checking the box. When you do, Shopify will show the quantity fields per location. Enter accurate on-hand quantities and decide whether to allow continue selling when out of stock. Leaving that unchecked prevents overselling. Turning it on lets you backorder. After updating quantities, click Save so the change applies to your store. If your product has variants, expand the variants section and open each variant. Each one has its own inventory setting, so make sure track quantity is enabled on every variant you stock and that the numbers are correct per location. If you manage many variants, use the bulk editor from the product page to toggle tracking and update quantities faster, then save your changes. If you use inventory or fulfillment apps, a POS, or sell on marketplaces, this part's optional but helpful. Open your connected app and run a manual sync so the new Shopify tracking settings and counts align across systems. Confirm which platform is the source of truth to avoid overwriting your updates. Finally, check your storefront, view the product page, and switch between variants to confirm that stock status appears correctly and, if applicable, that out-of-stock variants are flagged or disabled. Add the item to cart and, if you can, place a test order or draft order to see the quantity decrement. If you don't see changes right away, refresh, clear your cache, or try an incognito window. Repeat these steps for any other products showing as not tracked, and you'll have accurate inventory reflected across your store.